Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing of many attachments. These are casted metal from nickel scale models, or NiCal. I don't know the exact way to say it. He's Hummer 13 from the DHS diecast form. These are his first metal casted attachments. This one is the Shank Gripper. What he did was these little boxes for them. I very much like these. And here it is. That is very nice. That's pretty sick. It's insane. Now I know some people have ordered from here on YouTube, such as Cat446D. I'm sure some other people. This 3 Shank Gripper and this ripping bucket was the ones that I was most excited to get. They seem very, very nice. Lifting eye. This is for severe, severe rock. I mean, that's really for just pure rock, nothing but rock. And like I said, these are my brother's. He ordered them. The trenching bucket for the 365. I know that he very much wanted this trenching bucket. That's sick. See, it's a 3-tooth bucket. And the cool thing about it is I got the chance to see a 3-tooth bucket for 365 and it working, which it looks very so to say different with a 3-tooth bucket. This one is the frost bucket. This one is definitely something different. Look at that. That's pure, that's insane. That is very cool. Now, you can buy them from him painted as well, but it is an extra charge. Vinny chose unpainted, you know, because he's just going to have me paint them up. So, and here's the hammer, which also comes with the lines. That's pretty damn cool. Now, he did a limited run of, I believe, 20. I think he made... I'm pretty sure he made one other attachment. To be honest, I don't remember exactly which. It was... Excuse me, I do. It was a tilt bucket, actually. I didn't get that. Well, Vinny didn't get that. Just because, you know, I guess he didn't like it, or he just, you know, didn't want it. But, these are 5 of 6 attachments that he did make. And I do have to say, they are very nice. Especially that they are casted metal. It makes them even nicer. Now, if you want to know where I got them and how to contact him to get them, then send me a message here and I'll direct you to him. If you want a review of these, I will be more than happy to put them up. But I'm gonna get them painted first before I actually get a review up of them. But there you have it. For that, with shipping, all of them was $80. Great deal in my opinion. But there you have it.